Everybody, I'm happy to talk about the lecture. It should be lecture 12, right? Lecture 12. I will start to continue talk about programming with framework of MNCS. We have already show the how to run the chatting to client user. They can interact with each other through the client server based distributed architecture. I think multiple users. Represent multiple. That is multiple users, although they're client, but through the polling request periodically and periodical polling request, all the users based on the client can interact with each other. That's very important techniques for the client server based distributed system, right? If the user need to interact in real time, yeah, or instantly. So I think although we have already shown the demo, but I think the demo is just a framework. Like most people want to build their own application. This demo can be extended to a lot of distributed application, as we mentioned previously, right? Typical web-based system based on such a model. Some for email system also based on such a model. A lot of the system based on such a model. So this time, I will create application using such a model, such a framework to to show how convenient to program with GridFree. We just upgrade this framework. I think because we have, I mentioned many times, the design patterns and the convenient API will help us to do that. So I just want to show application here, build application based on MNCS framework. This is a simple example, just a simple example, because I have very limited time to do that. Because you think I haven't done anything at this time. I just start to program such application in real time. I have no any preparation before, so I just show how to do that online. So maybe I must got some start. Got stuck when I programmed such a application, although it's simple. Any engineer must know that programming is tough. Programming is tough. We usually a lot of people need to make a lot of most of people need to make sufficient preparations before they can program. Programming online is a tough job. As a teacher in universities, I never see a teacher who can program in the class. Usually they program before the class and just explain the code in the class. But for me, I want to show how rapid, how convenient to program with GridFree. That's why I want to do that online in real time. So let me take a try. But if I got stuck, I think at least you can understand it's not so difficult. I will try to create a successful system, okay, in such a short time. Each class we have maybe 15 minutes or 40 minutes. So if I cannot finish the project in the first half, in the first 50 minutes, maybe I will continue to work on that in the next class. I think I will try to finish that. If I got stuck, please apologize. Okay, let me try. This is a simple application. Everybody must know a social network system, just like a friend circle. I'm not sure whether you understand this application or not. I think most people at this time, you use a smartphone to interact with each other, such as Facebook, and in China we use WeChat. The user may publish something within his friend circle, and I think each user must looking forward the likes from his friend. If the number of the likes is large, he must be happy for that, right? So I think all the things happen instantly. When the user access his friend his friend circle, this friend circle, the all the posts in the friend circle usually update automatically. And if the user publish one post to his within his friend, and the like notification also update automatically without or instantly, right? So that's this application is very similar to chatting, very similar to the chatting application. So that's why I can borrow the chatting framework to establish such a simple application. So, but it's a little, although it's simple, although the application is available, but I still believe there's still some challenge, right? There's still some challenge because programming is difficult. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, this is our simple application, right? So I just want to follow this application and made some changes so I can establish my own friend circle. Let me start from here. This is an example, right? Example. This is the example. Okay. First, I start from here. It's I create another project. I call it wind shows. That shows means showcases. I create a lot of things here to show the programming techniques of GridFree. So this time let us create another one. It's still DP. It's IMNCS circle. Okay. IMNCS circle. Okay. Client. This is a client. Okay. Next, maybe we can create another one. We can okay. We can start from the message, I think, right? This from start message is better. Circle message. Okay. No, not correct. We should create a package here. Message. Okay. Let us take a look at this one. The application, the requirements. First, we create a message called post request. Through this message, the user can post something on the server. Posting some things on the server. Okay, this one should extend. This code is easy to be programmed, so we extend this its parent class server message is one of the primitive class in grade 3. Okay, we have seen that a lot of times. So to make things easy, I just post one string. Okay, next we need to create one constant for that. Circle config. We create such a config to define some constants. To define the constants. To define one type of important constants is the message type. Message type post request. We hope that the number is large. 1000 is large enough actually. Another one is post response, because this type of message should be one pair of message. And circle config request. Okay, and the next posts. Okay, posts. Okay, this should be easy, right? At this time, posts. Okay, what about the response? Usually response should get some latest updates of the current status, current information or current post on the circle, right? It responds some maybe response the latest one of the message, one of the posts is the user just posted. Another one may be some other ones it posts during one period, right? One particular period. Okay, this one. Server message. Okay. Okay, to simplify the programming, because I have so much time to do that, this is just to show how easy to program with grade 3. So I just return a list. Some maybe some data is some latest post is return is generated. The response is generated that includes some latest post that return from the circle from the server. Okay, so I just want to make something make the programming as easy as possible, because I have no sufficient time. So at least this demo can demonstrate, can tell you the primary ideas, the primary approach, how to program with grade 3, and how convenient, how rapid. Okay, that's because we already created a message request response. There's still one thing we need to do. It's a stream, right? Stream we also need to create it. Stream. Do you still remember how to write a stream? If you forget, doesn't matter. We can follow one example here. At least it can save us some time. You can make a copy paste here, right? Copy paste it. Then you should replace it one, right? This is the post request. And then you need to generate the constructor. This is also a design pattern, but it's a very simple one, right? So this message is finished. Then what else? What else? Another thing may be the like notification, right? After the post, you get some response, and you are waiting for the potential like notifications, right? So here, let us design such a notification. We call it a like notification. Like notification. Okay. Extend server message as well. Okay, it should be easy, right? The like notification should include friend's name, right? Friend's name, that's enough, right? Friend's name is simple. We design another integer here. Like notification. Copy this one to save some effort to type. I'm sorry. Friend name. Okay. Okay, now the message are created. All the message created. Because the application is simple, the demo is simple, so we just finished we start from the application. Just the two type of message are available. So next, we need to reuse something. Reuse architecture of the server side. Server side may be a little bit difficult because a lot of code there. So create this one. Now we need to do because I haven't done anything before this class for this application. So let me check what I can do here. I just want to make some copy paste if it's possible. Okay. Here. We can still start from here, right? And let me check this. Okay, here we created starting point, start circle. Okay, start circle, and then the circle is starting. Next, what should I do? Next, we need to create the server, right? The server maybe we call it the circle server. Circle server. Circle server. Then we can check this one and make some copy paste if necessary. If possible, we can. It's better for us to reuse something as many as possible. Okay, maybe the circle dispatcher. Okay, just call it circle dispatcher. Circle dispatcher. It's a challenging task, right? Because I have to program without any preparation. Distributed system is difficult, but I can program without any preparation. So that prove the not circle dispatcher. Circle dispatcher, right? That's correct. Let us take a look. Follow the patterns. This is real code for the pattern. Copy this one. Let us take a look what we can reuse. We try to reuse something as many as possible. Okay. We just ignore the chat registry. Some registry, the chatting pattern request. We don't need to pay much attention to that. The polling is important. So that we still have a design one additional at least one it's better for us to design two. I think I designed two. One is the post request. Post request means this request is sent from the server, from the client to the server to check whether some new posts are available or not, right? So this is some new message we need to design. This message is sent from the client to the server periodically. Right? Great. Next, the poll. Okay, maybe we don't need to design it because it's just a poll message. It's a simple application, so I maybe no any additional data is required to be sent. Just post something to the server. Okay, we have some, and another one is used to poll likes. Oh, poll likes, yeah. Poll post, poll likes request. Okay, this is a poll post. Post. Okay. Post. Okay, this message very simple. Response. Response, because it's a post is pause, so for this time, maybe we need to return some latest post, right? I hope this one can be easy, right? So I can finish this program within 15 minutes. But now it's 25 minutes past. Maybe we have no sufficient time to finish that. Maybe next class I will continue to do that. I hope I can show the entire procedure for you to learn grade 3. Got post. Okay. Pollock. Pollock request. This is not real world system. Maybe in the real world system, one single Paul or some other Paul polling message is request, right? But so it's just a demo, maybe not exactly, not a perfect design. So you need to modify. You need to design your system according to the based on your particular requirements. Okay, so in the real world system, maybe it's not true, right? Pull request. I don't think. Maybe here. The pull request is a post ID. Okay, just want to know whether some likes happen. Someone like your post or not. So you need to give the post ID. When you send such a request, right? Okay, post ID. Since when you post something, you must very interesting whether somebody had already liked your post. So you need to provide the post ID and send to the server to ensure to get the like notification, the likes as soon as possible. Okay, I'm still working on that. It's not difficult, but it just costs some time. Okay, maybe we got okay, a list. All the friends' name are saved in such a list. So you have, if one friend like your post, then you can get its name from the list. Paul response, right? Keep working on that. Okay, let's continue. No, sorry. No. Okay, finish that. I add 2 type of message to the system. And next, we need to follow the example here, right? Because for the chatting system, there are 2 type of Paul. For our system, we also design 2 type of Pauling message. So we need to stream also need to be created. We haven't done that. So still do something here. Paul posts stream. Stream. Okay. Stream. Paul posts request. Okay. Remove this one. Remove the content. Okay. Next. Another stream is also required. Paul like stream. Paul like. This is one, right? This is the parent class. Paul like. Okay. Remove the warning. Remove the comment. Okay. Now let us work on the server again. This one, the message is finished. Let us take a look at this one. We need to create a thread to process incoming polling message. This thread is in charge of processing post. Okay. Paul post request thread. I like name the class in this way. Okay, next. I would like to copy something here. Okay, non-Paul post request. Okay, next. Paul post stream. Paul posts response. Okay. Import this one. Import this message we create in another package. So import them into this class another package, right? Okay, remove all the warnings. Then we can do what we can do next. We just follow this example to create such code. It's easy, right? Easy. Response is shut down, right? No. You can see I'm very familiar with system, even though I have to type. Maybe near future, if I create a new language, then the code can be generated because the format is same, the structure is same. That's why I want to do that in the next step. Okay. But until now, the new language is still not available. I'm still on the way to the promising future of Detroit programming. Okay, we need to generate, because I want to make the system as simple as possible. I don't program anything on the application level, so I just do something simple. Return some messages. So this message is not real world one. Okay, messages, posts. That's not real one. Okay, maybe I can do that in this way to make the code simple or clean. Posts, circle posts. Okay, circle posts. It looks like online. This is a you can understand this code as a application level one, right? Okay. Just get some latest posts. Just return some string. That's what I want to do here, right? It's contrived. This is just a demo. This is a contrived system, not a real system. So I just do something simple here. Error list. Hello. And this is a holiday. Someone may post such information each day. Each holiday. Okay, let us go to school. Okay, another one. Play soccer together tomorrow night. Okay. Okay, that's all. Maybe this one can be added. Okay, that's fine. Add a new post, right? I can do something more complex. do that in this way. Posts. Posts. Okay. That makes the system a little bit complete. Add posts. Okay, that looks better, right? Okay, for this case, the application level has something. We just did some simple code to represent the application level stuff. Then respond. Okay. Dispose. Okay, now the thread is finished. Now the time is 41 minutes. So let us continue to work on that. Maybe we can finish this task in the next classes. In the next class, I think it's not so difficult, but it just consumes some time. Greater. Okay. This one not necessary to be public. Right? Usually I copy this one. I don't want to have so much code. Make copy paste. It's better. Okay. You can follow what I have done. When you program with distribute permit of be free, okay? Save you some time to type. Okay, this code is simple. This one should be updated because the name of the variable is not meaningful. So what else? Another one is this one. This thread should be also, it's the same thing, the same format, but for different information, for different message, right? So post like request thread. Okay, we keep on working on that. Let us continue. I always put some comments for all the code. Copy. Then this one should be Paul-like request. Pollock string, Pollock response. Okay. Remove this line, import it, keep importing, import. Go ahead, importing this one. Okay, generate a constructor. Keep working on that. That's great. So maybe here, circle post. Okay, maybe here we can generate some post. Right? Let me take a look at the response. What about the poll response? Oh, it's same thing, similar to that, right? Similar to the posts. Just return the friend's name. So we can design some application code in this way. Get latest, get posts. Got lags. Got lags. Post ID. Make something easy, right? So here. Okay. Let me take a look at this. Code looks not so good. You can do that in this way. Make it to be a singleton. Singleton. So the post can be initialized here. Okay, this code can be initialized here. And then the static can be removed. We don't need to initialize here. Okay. Posts. Likes. Oh, sorry, likes. It should be likes. Mike. Likes. John. Likes. Lee. Okay. Make something simple. Then this one is not necessary. Okay, this one is necessary. It can be removed. Return likes. Next, we add another method here. Add lags. Add lag. Friend name. Okay, that's great. Some error occurs because the singlet. Okay. Very easy to be fix the problem. Okay, next, what I can do here, we can keep working on this one. Okay, because I have no sufficient time for this class. Now we have, it took me about 50 minutes. So I will keep on working on that. I will keep on program this code. I hope you can enjoy programming with Grapefruit. Okay, thank you so much for today. You're listening for this class. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you. That's all for